A-arm's fine. No, A-arm's not fine. Look at the bottom A-arm. I went ahead and put the fuel pump back in. Trip did. I didn't mean to pull it the first time. You know, I really can't turn no screwdriver, but I had some help. Somebody told me what to do, so it is a fourth place finish. This 2015 Razor Sharp Customs 1000. We're proud of you, Justin. Just stay home and fourth place, no seat time. Just keep welding us, getting us good parts, Justin. We'll get this fuel issue taken care of. We got it. Good, they had to turn the fire. They trying to burn me out. This ain't Baltimore. We ain't going nowhere. They can't burn us away. I'm gonna hit that hill, my Can-Am. I don't care if they burn this place down. They trying to burn me away. Don't let me hit it in the Can-Am. I'm gonna get it in the Can-Am, Cole. Stay with us, Cole. They're not gonna burn me away. Don't burn my Can-Am. This ain't no Baltimore, but we gonna do something over here. Obama, you're almost out of here. Know that? Obama.